Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a file in Google Colab. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up Google Colab, sign into your account. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on File and then New Notebook in Drive if you want to start from scratch. Now, once this loads, we need to add some Python code. So first we need to go ahead and add this in. So from google.colab import files, then the next line we want to go ahead and put in upload equal files.upload and brackets. Then we want to go ahead and run this. Now after this has completed its run, we can go ahead and import that file. So it's going to say choose files and cancel upload. So go ahead and choose that file you like to upload. So for example, if I want to go ahead and add this puppy dog in here, it's going to go ahead and upload that to Google Colab. Then if you want to go ahead and access your files by name, we can do so. So go ahead and click on plus code, then type in import pandas as PD, hit enter, and then from here, next line is going to be this, and then put in your file name like so. This isn't probably going to work because it's an image, or it won't work. So like that, and then at the end of that, we want to hit enter and then df.head and then hit enter like so, and then run that. And now if there's any errors like that, we can go ahead here and check out the error. So explain error. So that's going to explain the error and it's going to help you fix it so you can go ahead and access that file.